students, good afternoon all of you. In our last lecture, we had seen chapter number 1. Today we will learn about chapter number 2, Khel Mahotsava. Khel Mahotsava, it means sports festival. Khel it means sports, festival. Mahotsava it means festival, sports festival. Students, sports has a major part in our life. Such exercise give us energy and keep our mind refreshed. Now we will start with our chapter. विवेकानंदस्य विद्यालये खेल महोत्सवः प्रचलति. विवेकानंदस्य विद्यालये खेल महोत्सवः प्रचलति. खेल महोत्सव it means sports festival. प्रचलति it means is going on. The sports festival is going on in Vivekanand School. Vidyalaya means school. The sports festival is going on in Vivekanand School. Balaka prasanna santi. Balakaha prasanna santi. Balaka is the plural form of balak. Balakaha prasanna. Prasanna it means happy or they are excited. Balaka it means students or children. Children are elated. The children are elated. Elated it means happy or excited. Sarve kaushalyasya pradarsanam kartum ichanti. Sarve kaushalyasya pradarsanam kartum ichanti. Sarve it means all. Kaushalyasya. Kaushalya it means skill. Their own skill. Pradarsanam it means display. Kartum ichanti. Ichanti it means wants to. All the students or everyone, survey means everyone. Everyone wants to display his own skill. Everyone wants to display his own skill. कुत्रचित् धावन स्पर्धा चलति. बालकाः प्रयत्नपूर्वकं शीघ्रतया धावन्ति. कुत्रचित् it means somewhere. Dhavan Spardha. Dhavan it means running. Spardha it means competition. Chalati it means going on. Somewhere the running competition is going on. Balaka Prayatna Purvakam Shidrataya Dhavanti. Balaka it means students or children. Prayatna Purvakam it means with their great effort. With their great effort. Shidrataya Dhavanti. Shidrataya means fast. Dhavanti means running. All the students or the children are running fast with their great efforts. All the students, all the children running fast with their great efforts. कतिपय बालकाः उच्चे वदन्ति धावतु धावतु त्वरितं धावतु. कतिपय बालकाः it means some children. Katipaya it means some children. Ucche vadanti. Ucche it means high or loudly. Vadanti means loudly or ucche vadanti means shouting. We say shouting also. Some children shouting. Dhavatu dhavatu tvaritam dhavatu means run. Tvaritam dhavatu means run fast. Some children shouting. Run fast. कुत्रचित् गोलक्षेपक स्पर्धा चलति. कुत्रचित् गोलक्षेपक स्पर्धा चलति. कुत्रचित् means somewhere. गोलक्षेपक it means shot put. स्पर्धा again competition. Chalati means going on. Somewhere shot put competition is going on. क्रमशः क्रीडकः लोकगोलकं क्षिपति. क्रमशः it means one by one or we say turn by turn. क्रीडकः it means players. क्रीडकः it means players. लोकगोलकं. Log it means iron. Golakam means ball. Lokgolakam Kshipati. Kshipati means throwing. The players are throwing the iron ball turn by turn. Kramasha Kridakaha Lokgolakam Kshipati means the players are throwing the iron ball turn by turn. Kutrachit Kabaddi Chalati means somewhere Kabaddi is going on. Kutrachit Kridakaha Dirghalanganam Karoti. Kutrachit Kridakaha means somewhere players Dirghalanganam. Dirgha means long. Langanam it means jump. Somewhere players long jump. Somewhere the players is doing long jump. Samyaktaka sarva spardha purna bhavanti. Samyaktaka sarva spardha purna bhavanti. Sarva spardha it means all the competition. Purna it means finished. All the competitions are finished in the proper manner. Samyaktaka means proper manner or proper time. All the competitions are finished in the proper manner. Somewhere is, I repeat the translation of this para again. The sports festival is going on in Vivekananda school. The children are elated. Everyone wants to display his own skill. Somewhere the running competition is going on. The children are running fast with their great efforts. Some children are shouting, run, run, run fast. Somewhere the shot put competition is going on. The players are throwing the iron ball turn by turn. Somewhere kabaddi is going on. Somewhere the players is doing long jump. All the competitions are finished in the proper manner. Okay, now next paragraph. समापन कार्यक्रमस्य प्रारंभः भवति. समापन कार्यक्रमस्य प्रारंभः भवति. समापन कार्यक्रम means final ceremony. प्रारंभः भवति means has started. The competition of the final ceremony has started. विद्यालयस्य आचार्यः स्वस्थानतः उत्तिष्ठति वदति च खेल महोत्सवे आगतानां प्रतिभागिनानां कृते अभिनंदनम्. विद्यालयस्य आचार्यः it means the principal of the school. स्वस्थानतः it means his own place or his place. Uttisthati means gets up. Vadati means speaking or says. Khel Mahotsave means in that sport competition. Agatanam Pratibhaginanam Krute Abhinandanam. It means the participants who had come for the sport festival. The principal of the school gets up from his place and says, congratulations to the participants who had come for the sports festival. समापन कार्यक्रमस्य प्रारंभः भवति. विद्यालयस्य आचार्यः स्वस्थानतः उत्तिष्ठति वदति च खेल महोत्सवे आगतानां प्रतिभागिनानां कृते अभिनंदनम्. Means the competition of the final ceremony has started. The principal of the school gets up from his place and says, congratulations to the participants who had come for the sport festival. एषः अस्माकं प्रथम खेल महोत्सव. एषः means this. अस्माकं means our. प्रथमा first खेल महोत्सवः sport festival means this is our first sports festival. एषः अस्माकं प्रथम खेल महोत्सव means this is our first sports festival. अस्माकं शालायां अस्मिन् वर्षे नूतनः शिक्षकः नियुक्तः अस्ति. अस्माकं शालायां shalayam. Asmakam it means our. Shalayana means in our school. Asmin varshe means this year. Asmin it means this. Varshe it means year. Nutana it means new. Shikshakah teacher. Niyuktah it means appointed. Asti it means appointed. This is our sport festival. A new teacher is appointed in our school this year. A new teacher is appointed in our this year. In our school this year. Etat sarvam tasya prayasya phalam. Etat sarva tasya prayasasya phalam. This is all about that teacher. It means all this is the fruit of his effort. That new teacher, they are talking about that new teacher and say this is our this is the fruit of this his effort. It means that teacher's effort. Tamapi abhinandanam. Tamapi abhinandanam it means congratulations to him too. Tamapi means him too. Congratulations to him too. Aduna asmakam vidyalaye vyayamasya prashikshanartham prashikshakah api asti. Aduna it means right now. Aduna asmakam shalayam प्रतिवर्ष अधुना अस्माकं शालायां प्रतिवर्ष प्रशिक्षकः अपि अस्ति. It means right now we have a coach or a trainer also in our school for physical training. Now we have a coach or a trainer in our school for physical training. Sah prashikshanam dasyati. Sah prashikshanam dasyati means he will give training starting from today. It means he will give training starting from today. अद्यारभ्य अस्माकं शालायां प्रतिवर्ष खेल महोत्सव भविष्यति. There will be a sport festival in our school every year. Adyarabhya means now. Asmakam shalayam means in our school. Prativarsh means every year. Khel Mahotsava bhavishyati means we will conduct sport festival every year. अस्माकं छात्राः राज्यकक्षायां राष्ट्रकक्षायां च खेल महोत्सवेषु भागं ग्रहीष्यन्ति. अस्माकं छात्रा it means our students राज्यकक्षायां राष्ट्रकक्षायां. राज्यकक्षा means state level. राज्य means state. कक्षायां means level. It means state level. राष्ट्रकक्षायां राष्ट्र means national. कक्षायां means level. National level. खेल महोत्सवेषु भागं it means participate in the sport festival. ग्रहीष्यन्ति means our student will participate in state level as well as national level sports. अस्माकं शालायां नाम उज्ज्वलं भविष्यति. अस्माकं शालायां it means our school's name. Ujjwalam means make famous or make bright. Bhavishyanti means will. They will make the name of our school famous. Ujjwalam means famous. They will make the name of our school famous. जीवने खेलस्य महत्व अस्ति. Sports are important in our life. जीवने means life. खेलस्य महत्व means importance of sport. Sports are important in our life. खेल सर्वांगीण विकासार्थम सहायं करोति, खेल means sports, सर्वांगी विकासार्थम it means holistic development, सहायम means help, sports help in holistic development. Now I will repeat the translation from here. The competition of the final ceremony has started. The principal of the school gets up from his place and says, "Congratulations to the participant who had come for the sport festival. This is our first sport festival. A new teacher is appointed in our school this year. All this is the fruit of his effort. Congratulations to him too. Right now we have a coach or a trainer in our school for physical training. He will give us training starting from today. There will be a sport festival in our school every year. Our students will participate in state level as well as national level sports. They will make the name of our school famous. Sports are important in life. Sports help in holistic development." Okay students, this chapter is about sports and importance of sports in our life. Now we will see exercise. Okay student, now we will see exercise of textbook. First question, frame sentences following the illustration. Frame sentences. There are given one example. Tavakah shigram tavati. Tavakah shigram tavati. And the change is Tavakah shigram tavanti. Tavakah shigram tavanti. This is our subject and we have to change our subject in plural form, and this is verb. Verb also change as a plural form. First one, Manavah Kridam Pashyati. So we have to change this sentence in plural form. Manavah, Manavaha, plural form of Manav. Kridam as it is. Pashyati. Pashyati. Verb is changed in Pashyati as a subject. Okay. Manavah Kridam Pashyanti. Same as well. Gaja Manda Chalati. Gajaha. So, Gajaha Mandam Chalati. Chalanti. Okay. Third sentence. Balakah shigram gacchati. Balakah. So, balakah. Balakah shigram gacchati. Gacchanti. महिला श्लोकम गायति. महिला श्लोकम गायति. गायति. Okay. Second one, answer the following questions. First question is, विवेकानंदस्य विद्यालय किं चलति? विवेकानंदस्य विद्यालय किं चलति? The answer is, विवेकानंदस्य विद्यालये खेल महोत्सव चलति. विवेकानंदस्य विद्यालये खेल महोत्सव चलति. Second question, धावकाः किं कुर्वन्ति? धावकाः किं कुर्वन्ति? धावकाः प्रयत्नपूर्वकं शीघ्रतया धावन्ति. तावकः प्रयत्नपूर्वकं शीघ्रतया धावन्ति। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, विद्यालये का क्रीडा चलन्ति? विद्यालये का क्रीडा चलन्ति? The answer is विद्यालये धावन क्रीडा, गोलक्षेपण क्रीडा, कबड्डी क्रीडा चलन्ति। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, जीवने कस्य महत्वम् अस्ति? जीवने कस्य महत्वम् अस्ति? The answer is जीवने खेलस्य महत्वम् अस्ति। जीवने खेलस्य महत्वम् अस्ति। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, खेलः कस्यार्थे साहाय्यं करोति? खेलः कस्यार्थे साहाय्यं करोति? The answer is खेलः सर्वांगीण विकासार्थं साहाय्यं करोति। खेलः सर्वांगीण विकासार्थं साहाय्यं करोति। नेक्स्ट वन, transform sentence following the illustration. Transform sentence. Radha agacchati. Radha agacchati. We have to change it. Radha agamishyati. Radha agamishyati. Same as well. Shabana vadati. So Shabana vadishyati. Mohsina chalati. Mohsina chalishyati. रमेशः खादति। रमेशः खादिष्यति। वेदः कथयति। वेदः कथिष्यति। Now look at the picture. Color the above picture and frame sentence based on it. Color the above picture and make 5 sentences of it. First sentence, Radha cha mala cha dirgha galai sajje bhavatah. Dirgha lagdanai sajje bhavatah. Second one, Anilah falkasya upari kurdanai sajja bhavati. Third one, सचिनः लोकगोलकं क्षिपति। सचिनः लोकगोलकं क्षिपति। बाला बालिका च कबड्डी क्रीडन्ति। बाला बालिका च कबड्डी क्रीडन्ति। त्रय बाला धावन्ति। त्रय बाला धावन्ति। अन्ये बाला क्रीडा पश्यति। अन्ये बाला क्रीडा पश्यति means rest of the players are watching that sport. Then pronounce the following words correctly about the game. First word, शीघ्रतया. शीघ्रतया. Second, त्वरितम. Third one, कुत्रचित्. Fourth, गोलक्षेपः. Fifth one, दीर्घलंघनम. Sixth one, अध्यरभ्य. अध्यरभ्य. Seven, प्रशिक्षणम. प्रशिक्षणम. Now we will see some extra exercise of workbook. First question, for each of the given question, choose the option that is correct. Answer and write letter corresponding to the answer in the box provided. First question, विवेकानंदस्य विद्यालये किं चलति? विवेकानंदस्य विद्यालये किं चलति? The answer is B. खेल महोत्सव. विवेकानंदस्य विद्यालये खेल महोत्सव चलति. Second question, तावकाः किं कुर्वन्ति? तावकाः किं कुर्वन्ति? The answer is तावकाः तावनां क्रिया कुर्वन्ति. तावनां क्रिया कुर्वन्ति. Option D is the correct answer. Third question, जीवने कस्य महत्वम् अस्ति? जीवने कस्य महत्वम् अस्ति? ऑप्शन ए खेलस्य, जीवने खेलस्य महत्वम् अस्ति। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, खेल कस्यार्थे सहायं करोति? खेल कस्यार्थे सहायं करोति? द आंसर इज सर्वांगीण विकासार्थम। खेल सर्वांगीण विकासार्थम सहायं करोति। नंबर 5, के कौशल्यस्य प्रदर्शनं कर्तुम् इच्छन्ति? के कौशल्यस्य प्रदर्शनं कर्तुम् इच्छन्ति छात्रा, मीन्स ऑल द बॉय स्टूडेंट। नंबर 6, कतिपय बालकाः उच्चे किं वदति? कतिपय बालकाः उच्चे किं वदति? ऑप्शन डी धावतु धावतु त्वरितं धावतु, मीन्स रन रन फास्ट रन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, कस्यां स्पर्धायां क्रीडकः लोहगोलकं क्षिपति? कस्यां स्पर्धायां क्रीडकः लोहगोलकं क्षिपति? In which game players throwing that iron ball? गोलक्षेपण स्पर्धायां, ऑप्शन डी is the correct answer. गोलकक्षेपण स्पर्धायां। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, आचार्य कदा स्वस्थानतः उत्तिष्ठति? आचार्य कदा स्वस्थानतः उत्तिष्ठति? द आंसर इज समापन कार्यक्रमस्य प्रारंभे, मीन्स व्हेन फाइनल सेरेमनी इज स्टार्टेड। समापन कार्यक्रमस्य प्रारंभे, ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नंबर 9, विद्यालये कः छात्रेभ्यः व्यायामस्य प्रशिक्षणं दास्यति? विद्यालये कः छात्रस्य व्यायामस्य प्रशिक्षणं दास्यति? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी व्यायामे प्रशिक्षकः शिक्षकः। व्यायामे प्रशिक्षितः शिक्षकः, इट मीन्स पीटी टीचर। नंबर 10, अद्यारभ्य अस्माकं विद्यालये प्रतिवर्ष खेल महोत्सव भविष्यन्ति। इदं वाक्यं कः वदति? अद्यारभ्य अस्माकं विद्यालये प्रतिवर्ष खेल महोत्सव भवन्ति, मीन्स राइट नाउ वी हैव कंडक्ट स्पोर्ट्स फेस्टिवल एवरी ईयर इन आवर स्कूल। Who said this sentence? विद्यालयस्य आचार्य, means principal of the school. Option A is the correct answer. True or false? Okay. Second question, second exercise, true or false? First one, खेल महोत्सवे विद्यालयस्य सर्व बालकाः सहभागिनः भविष्यन्ति। True. गोलक स्पर्धायां क्रमशः क्रीडकः लोहगोलकं क्षिपति। True. Third one, कुत्रापि कबड्डी क्रीडायां क्रीडकाः दीर्घलङ्घनं कुर्वन्ति। कुत्रापि कबड्डी क्रीडकाः दीर्घलङ्घनं कुर्वन्ति। फॉल्स। अस्माकं शालायां गतवर्षे एकः शिक्षकः नियुक्तः अस्ति। अस्माकं शालायां गतवर्षे एकः शिक्षकः नियुक्तः अस्ति। फॉल्स। अद्यारभ्य अस्माकं शालायां प्रतिवर्षं खेल महोत्सव भविष्यन्ति। ट्रू। जीवने खेलस्य महत्त्वम् अस्ति। ट्रू। Now next one, match the following. First column A and column B. कतिपय बालका उच्चे वदन्ति. कतिपय बालका उच्चे वदन्ति. Some children shouting. What they shouted? Run, run, fast, run. धावतु, धावतु, त्वरितं धावतु. क्रमशः क्रीडकः. क्रमशः क्रीडकः लोकगोलकं क्षिपति. एषः अस्माकं प्रथम खेल महोत्सवः. एषः अस्माकं प्रथम खेल महोत्सवः. Next exercise. Pronounce the following words correctly. Find out the true meaning of the given Sanskrit words from the given option and write. First one, Shidrataya. Shidrataya. It means quickly or happily. Find out the true synonyms or true meaning of Sanskrit word. Shidrataya means quickly. Second one, Tvaritam. Tvaritam it means slowly or fast. Fast. FST. Fast. Third one, Kutrachit. Kutrachit it means somewhere or where. Somewhere. Number 4, Golkshepah. Golkshepah it means long jump or short put. Short put. Dirghalandhanam. Dirghalandhanam it means short jump or long jump. Long jump. Adyarabhya. Adyarabhya it means starting from today or from that time. Starting from today. Number 7, Prashikshanam. Prashikshanam it means training or foretraining. Foretraining. Last one, Kridaka. Kridaka it means player or runner. Player. Okay. Now next exercise. Find out the true synonyms of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. Find out the true synonyms. First one, Khelam. Khelam it means Krida or Kridati. Krida. Number 2, Shigram. Shigram it means Tvaritam or Tamapi. Tvaritam. Number 3, Chhatrava. Chhatrava it means Chhatra or Shishya. Shishya means student. Shishya. Chhatra it means student. Nutana. Nutana it means Navin or Puratan. Navin or Puratan. Nutan it means new. New matlab means Navin. Okay students, this is our exercise of chapter 2. You have to write down in your notebook Kindly check study material